Hey everyone, this is part 2 of how to secure your Android phone. In this video, I'll be showing you through the settings that are already on your phone, how to secure the Android. If you didn't see part 1, I'll have the link down into the description. You can go ahead and watch that. For now, in the first step, we're going to go ahead and click Settings. So now when you're in the settings, you're going to scroll down until you see the security setting that is there. And once you are there, the first thing that we're going to configure is Google Play Protect. So go ahead and click that. So when you are there, you're going to go ahead and click the settings button on the top. And when you are there, you're going to see these two options that are present. Make sure both of these two settings are enabled. It's so that Google Play Protect can scan your apps and warn you of any malicious activity. And as I go out, I'm going to go ahead and click Security Update. And once you click that button, it's going to check for anything that is available that may patch a security flaw detected within your Android version. Next, I'm going to click Find My Device. And after clicking Find My Device, make sure that it is on. You can use Lookout Mobile Security to find your device, as I explained in part 1. Or you can install an additional app called Find My Device, and you'll be able to find your device in case it's lost or stolen. According to Google Play reviews, this is a very good app to use. Okay, Screen Lock is the next item that we're going to configure. And in Screen Lock, you're going to have 5 options. In these 5 options, this is how you will be able to have access to your phone, or anybody will have access to your phone. And of these 5 options that you see, 2 of them do not use because it's pretty much a security risk. It's None and Swipe. If you don't have a screen lock, then anybody can just have your phone and access it. For Swipe, it's pretty much the same thing. All they will have to do is swipe up, left, or right in order to access your phone. And so that can be anybody. But something that is more secure is to use a pattern, PIN, or password, because that is a combination that only you would know. And so that makes your phone more secure and harder to get into. The next thing that we're going to configure is Fingerprint. If your phone has this feature available, I highly recommend for you to use it. It is a much more secure way to keep your phone as well as your apps safe. It's better than using a password or a PIN number in order to access your phone. And when choosing to use it, I highly recommend also to add 2 different fingerprints, perhaps 1 fingerprint from both hands. Now the next item that we're going to see is Smart Lock. Now we're not really going to configure it. And the reason why is because even though it's listed under security settings and the description seems nice, do not enable this feature. It is a huge security risk. Your phone will stay unlocked as long as it is in a certain location or near your body or near another device of yours, which means anyone can access your phone without any password, PIN, or fingerprint just because it is in a certain location or next to you. In my opinion, it isn't even a good feature. There are other security settings listed here. Make sure encryption is on and screen pinning is on. The other settings are optional and you can look more into them on your own, but I have covered the more crucial settings in this video. Remember, nothing is 100% secure, but our decisions can either make our devices more secure or less secure. This video will make your Android more secure. That's it for now. Stay safe.